A health expert's take on doing 100 push-ups every day would likely involve a balanced consideration of both potential benefits and risks.
Here's an overview of what a health expert might say. Potential health event: upper body strength improvement. Doing 100 push-ups daily can contribute to increased upper body strength, particularly targeting the chest, shoulders, and triceps.
Muscle endurance enhanced. Regular push-up practice can lead to improved muscle endurance,
allowing individuals to sustain physical activities for longer durations. Calories expenditure: high repetition exercises like push-ups can contribute to caloric expenditure,
potentially supporting weight management when combined with a healthy diet.
Convenience and accessibility: push-ups require no equipment and can be done
virtually anywhere, making them a convenient and accessible form of exercise. Mood and mental well-being: engaging in regular physical activity, including push-ups, is associated with improved mood and reduced stress due to the release of endorphins. Potential health risks: overtraining and injury risk. Performing 100 push-ups every day may increase the risk of overtraining, leading to muscle strains, joint issues, or overuse injuries. Muscle imbalances: relying solely on push-ups may neglect certain muscle groups, potentially causing imbalances. A well-rounded exercise routine is crucial for overall muscle development. Joint stress: high-frequency push-ups can put stress on the shoulder and elbow joints, potentially leading to joint problems over time. Plateau in progress: the body may adapt to the 100 push-up routine over time, resulting in a plateau in progress. Incorporating variety and progression is important for continued improvement. Lack of overall fitness: focusing exclusively on push-ups may not provide a comprehensive approach to fitness. Including exercises targeting different muscle groups and aspects of fitness is essential. Recommendations: individualization. Fitness plans should be tailored to individual fitness levels, goals, and health conditions. What works for one person may not be suitable for another. Variation in exercise routine, including a variety of exercises alongside push-ups, ensures a more well-rounded fitness routine, preventing imbalances and promoting overall health.
Rest and recovery: adequate rest days are crucial to prevent overtraining and reduce the risk of injuries.
Muscles need time to recover and adapt.
Proper form: emphasizing proper push-up form is essential to minimize the risk of injury.
Seeking guidance from a fitness professional or using reputable resources for technique is recommended.
Listen to your body. Paying good attention to how the body responds to the exercise routine is vital.
Adjustments to intensity or routine may be necessary if signs of fatigue, pain, or discomfort persist. In conclusion, while 100 push-ups a day can offer benefits, a health expert would likely advocate
for a balanced and individualized approach, considering both positive